There have been some exciting updates to the AI phone agent on Hats. It can now have conversations in French, Spanish, and German in addition to English. So I'm going to show you how to do that in your own tenant. All you need to do is pick a phone agent that you've either created, or you can do this the first time you create the agent. I'm using my personal voice assistant, whatever answers the phone when I can't get to it in time. I have mine running on GPT-5, but any of these models are totally fine for the phone agent. I have my opener message set to say Mark isn't available right now. Let's see what it sounds like in the current setting.
Mark isn't available right now, but I can take a message. Can you start by telling me your name?
Great. Now I've gone over to the chat and I've asked it to translate that into several different languages. We're just going to replace the opener message and get rid of English and select French. There's only one French voice at the moment.
Marc n'est pas disponible pour le moment, mais je peux prendre un message.
You can do that with German. And again, we'll just switch. We'll get rid of French down here, and we will choose German. And let's actually turn this into a German phrase.
Marc ist im Moment nicht verfügbar, aber ich kann eine Nachricht entgegennehmen.
And then finally, Spanish. Switch that to Spanish. Get rid of German and choose Spanish. There are 4 options here. Let's try Diego.
Mark no está disponible en este momento, pero puedo tomar un mensaje.
So why is this cool? Why is this a big deal? Well, because before you could have the phone agent speak Spanish, but it sounded English, right? There was no Spanish accent to it. So it would sound like, go back to mine.
Mark no está disponible en este momento, pero puedo tomar un mensaje.
So like it's correct, but it doesn't sound fluent at all. You can also change the system prompt, okay? You can change all of this from English to Spanish or French or German to make sure it handles the calls in the way that you want. There are some nuances to the language. So this is great if you have, you're an MSP who has a lot of clients who don't speak English and you want to use this for your help desk. This is also great if your clients have customers who don't speak English and they speak French, German, or Spanish, and you want to sell them a phone agent that can handle these kinds of calls in their native language. Go play around with this, test this out. As of recording this right now on October 27th, 2025, the non-English languages are beta. You don't need to do anything special to turn them on. You just need to go to the language dropdown. All right, have fun.